Even when you have done your very best, oh Lord, and it seemed like you just can't stand the test.